If you want to learn how to make a strawberry flavored cocktail that will blow your mind, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to make a cocktail that is an 18th Amendment contemporary classic, we might call it. This is created by one of the young ladies that works for me at the 18th Amendment bar in Ballarat. Her name is Jessie Cadman. When she presented this to have a look at for our cocktail menu, because normally I will oversee all the recipes, I thought, kind of sounds a bit weird, the ingredients, but I was very, very intrigued by it. When I tried it, I thought, damn, it is absolutely a winner. And it's in the top 5 best-selling cocktails on our current menu. So congratulations, Jessie. I think it's the first time we've had a cocktail on a menu. I could be wrong. Well done, young lady. So the first ingredient that it calls for is 40 mils, or what's that? That's an ounce and a third of Sloe Gin. I'm going to use the Cadmans Sloe Gin. I really enjoy this Sloe Gin, made in London. 40 mils. I've got my competition jigger on me today, so it's perfect. Everything's spot on. It's got the 5, the 10, the 15, and the 30. It's an Uber Bartels one if you're wondering what I use. And I don't get sponsored by that, but they should. Next up, we have 20 mils, or 2/3 of an ounce of a vodka. Once again, the 15 and the 5. It's really important to get everything exactly right, the millage, especially at a venue like the 18th Amendment where we pre-batch, and when we batch it, we do it in like 5-litre drums. It has to be exactly right so that every single cocktail is on point and tastes the same as the one you had before and the one you had after. Next up, 15 mils or half an ounce of a strawberry puree. You can make your own strawberry puree, but the amount that we go for, it's a lot easier for us to buy it. I'm using the Real strawberry puree, which is really tasty. Then 5 mils of some sugar syrup, just to add a little bit of sweetness to this cocktail. That strawberry puree is sweet, however, it's made from 100% strawberries, so I just want a little bit more sweetness to this cocktail. Now, last but not least, she didn't add any citrus element to this cocktail, which you would think, damn, it's going to be really, really sweet. Very smart. She used 3 mils of balsamic vinegar. Now, I know that balsamic vinegar works really well with strawberries, but I didn't think of putting it in a cocktail. I'm going to add some ice. Give it a really good shake. All right, I'm going to strain that into a chilled down glass. To double strain. This is the Button Man. Look at that beautiful colour. For the garnish, just a fresh strawberry on the side. All right, that's the Button Man cocktail. Let's give it a try. She's selling more cocktails than some of mine on the menu, Jess. That is bloody beautiful. Strawberry balsamic, it just works so well with that vodka. That Sloe Gin is working really well. It's very well balanced. It tastes delicious, and it's a big seller. Chuck it on your menu. Just remember where you learnt it. 18th Amendment drink. Guys, please like, subscribe. If you've got something with balsamic or another strawberry cocktail, let me know. I'll make a video of it. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks. Cheers to the Button Man.